Mama akwaba efa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching
ye eko bankrum me won say attorney general obi a wa ben say Dominicani a wo kire mra na all kasa sa pedestrian or nam pedestrian walkway sa no because Mami Loretta Vivian Lamte ne boni a wo ye no ene kwan fa so yi na adu no na ye clear Mami Charlotte say onu mpo de anyo obi o onu anye the deputies and a trading accusations a man Crawford gina accusations o mu trade ne so e file petition e me adi yo madi Chief Justice di mon kire boni a wa ye mo se watu kwan e de ne ba anye kuna tu kwan ana na no meka obetire so na Crawford say yi me say
nje sa pepepe
Mami toko nu od ne kuro wan fa ne mpra yenim politicians amu man mu a mode mo mpra fo na tu kwan
jam yiri mo ma sa mo mpra de ko na mo
mpra me say se wo tu kwan wo ye politician
NDC
wo ye NDC ni o wo ye hwan yo wo ye hwan yo wo ye politician e wo Ghana na wo tu kwan na wo de Ghana for sika taxpayers money e de mpra tu kwan a na de no kwa wo de ge sika e ko bom mpra e ho ka obekwa ko wu aso so wa wo sika na wo de ko do mpra ko bo ko bro medam ase a enye obi asem ba asem si Chief Justice ontimi fa ne kuru entu kwan a na the speaker okono wan kwa afa na ba wa nyina ankobi
ba da ba kwa se ye kan kire omni se abane na di utu kwan a wontimi kan kire se wo mpra na wo de no kwa de wa na abon hoka sabo bo mpra hoka de tu kwan a ta wo ko ru ho
de say da bi wo de ti o se wo de ko now the wow sika bon hoka me de mini problem me say wo de o man sika bon mpra ho kan ko ade a Nyankopon ontua muka wo ho na wo ba fa ni funu bra because I very unfortunate ba mo fa sa kwan no so ya ayi ma me na di agunani mu ase na wo bisa se adentina Ghana Bar Association for ka ho asem fairness bi ani ho edu obri a ECOWAS asem wo ECOWAS court na Commonwealth for kasa na we kasa no na esi etumirika report no in case petition ye miensa ba akopa ni atan so esi etumirika na ye de ba na ma no ye gya no kwan no kɔ na ye hotoye ase busue ni bia na ɔte o man Ghana so enti me de no gono na me expect say yera do America no beko because already no oh yeah we have a prejudicial mindset I say we prejudicing I say ade ni nyina da say Ghana Bar Association no ho no MPP lawyers
waku ayin speaker de no mako hu ayin CCA former communication from Parliamentary service Speaker of Parliament could Dubai statement of the Babonti no mo say all call speaker e kono enkofo e kano
ho koye
omo ye 1 2 3 4 Mrs. Alice Adwoa Jonas spouse
speaker ne no okay
the spouse
okay
and into bracket much actually say carer
okay
so one ko hwedi kun
okay
Dr. Prince Kofi Pambu head Parliamentary clinic papa ne yare ye de na ko hospital e wo Dubai the whole Parliament of Ghana so do head of Parliamentary clinic
no so ka ho
yes ono so nko bi
okay
Miss Patience Bagbin
okay
Speaker's Secretariat
okay
Mr. Justice Novo Speaker's Aid
you
yes what ko yadwuma wo
there be okohwe no ho yare
ko hwe no ho ya ne yire ka ho and na Patience Bagbin e de we ebusuani and na the whole of Parliament the head is also Dr. Prince Kofi Pambu ka ho and na speaker ni aid Justice Novo one also ka ho
at the expense of the state
at the expense of the state
in fact Yera Mahama so be di ade
we da be kwa de ni we last 2021 bebre wo ho bebre
Yera Mahama e be di ade o koi ye hu ni Basharaf say na ote presidential jet nim em so ba ko Burkina Faso ko Kenya de nyina ye hu Sharaf say o yen ote mu bi but okoe no why the born hoka
oh that be busa
anya state na born hoka
kwaku wo do wo nyambo that be busa
enti no ya fa sa kwan so amma mi ya yi na di ya na ikujina Ghana Bar Association ni mu a afi ni yedi Ghana Bar Association for no yedi o matem
Gwaku
in their faces
na Dr. Dobdika Yine me share one more omo ministers na omo am I disappointed in them na on waka ho waka asem na awre ho say Ghana Bar Association no mo ayina conference ne nra wose asemba enisi ema foreign associations ebe interfere ewo your local politics and I say your local governance mu said nyina na ye friend say is it Commonwealth Bar Association for extra bar say ade aga na ban ye
maame no
enye waka salam anaba pay selective amnesia na aka no ana Ghana ban etia Israel for at bomb akoto kata ye ben ho ye Israel for ye kata for omo Africa
omo kwebe ne no mo
omo ECOWAS omo ni Commonwealth enso so okunya twa black kwa etro kata on behalf of the Republic of Ghana
ediko condemn
Israel for Israel for Commonwealth Bar Association no Ghana for yeka ho ECOWAS Ghana for yeka ho eti ase bia si wo Commonwealth is bia country bia yetibi ka bi ECOWAS country yetibi ka bi ba ya musa ye ho say Ghana ene kata association be na wentem Ghana ni Israel bia join ani say be members of UN
wakwa chiri kura podudo abria Ghana ban under the Sino-Hydro deal.
Yes.
Any China F4 sign agreement. Say a bemo bauxite. Na omonso mayen sikania di be developer acquiring bridges near Diano. One can say NDC for truck IMF for say. Omo describe the agreement say a loan.
I have reduced more. I remember.
A sovereign state, they say Ghana. Any sovereign state, they say China. A deal. Wo kofre, wo dia and then external interference.
Dabi.
Nanya external interference. Say wo soro ko. In fact, omo tro wi Haruna Idrisu. SFI Ghana ha. Eko Bretton Woods for no ho.
Aye.
E wo hoko bo mama na say. Omo me describe sa agreement they say a loan. Nanya bata. But na dey and omo hu say response e ba na say e be positive mama ame no so mo hwe ba bia e ba ni nyina na cha na che de nya ne kwan preko
the
petition mi ensa ne kwa ye hwe nti ni nyina ba ko na aba no aye come on ko ani ebutu ma me no ne kan no to abontin ene ne ma me nam ho ba ne de o mu ni say godon ma me ni wo 8 years a obeko retirement medie on fan so we leave the next MPP government they should restore him.
The
next MPP government they should restore the woman 4 years.
Ofan kwa gym. Yeah. Onon kwa da sorry obeluku yanga. Ya base pe.
Omo restore. Na onkonko to omo a omo ye ku yi.
Edra mi hu ade bi Kofi Asara atwa de bi say Professor Kwesi Prempeh omo unso na head constitutional review na omu miembiemu se be ya ebe de se obetima use article 146 ayi obi ede se hwe ebe de ama hwan
abana ba
ebe de ama hwan see MPP ba that so called constitutional review the be kwaku ye hwebu wi a ye betu kwa declare sad in your constitution ebe tu ba President Mills himself established a whole constitutional review commission na William Atuguba no Raymond Dr. Raymond Atuguba this is one na Ghana law school one that dano omo ye bibia e de command President Mahama
Antonio
omo de white paper kwa bottles kozi first kwaku e de kosi ye hwi an kosi hwi etende omo adwen ayi nkwadi kwaku story no wa sin GND Binyiri crisis 8,000 refugees return home from Ivory Coast. About 8,000 Ghanaian refugees have safely About 8,000 Ghanaian refugees have safely returned home from the Ivory Coast Mr. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, Ghana's foreign minister, has revealed.
Guy, we try to try to if you don't want to bring any 1.6 million, and he say from 2022, Chairman won't to me any mining here. But see, NDC didn't need as Chairman won't to me so. About 2013, under John Mahama 1, yes, a say in the excavators, as said near Juma Hansel mining. And Omo determined, say, Ombe used Chairman to me as a scapegoat. And you know, Chairman won't to me no mudo money as your moso. Ghana 4A bisa say, what happens to a Honorable Oscar Ofoilabi, MP for our Win constituency in the Western North region? Our no any chroma info, then the chromo for Akase or a Garamse Kimpin to Machana. Mr. Mahama, what Bonabaso? I know deputy chairman and a vice chairman for the Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament. Why no Defense and Interior Committee vice chairman of Parliament? The Galamse Kimpin. At the Ben award your no so docket, ever Ghana for. The Ben and a Joseph Yami, Yoko for Befreno. The Ben a Banga Yakubu, Yoko for Befreno. The Ben NDC chairman, any NDC for regional constituency chairman, any NDC national security boys now, yet 2 Galamse so a year from no. The Ben on Beko, now so don't imagine Brano. And now, as usual, NDC need the brain, no. MPP need the Mrabidino. Is that the kind of government you're too about the Mayana? You must be fair. And say Obia who say justice is being done. And yet witch hunting. And they say yem persecute your opponent. Na yen crofo yem mama baso no muntu. No wonder. Say and the general secretary of your party Abekache Ghana for say Operation Recover All Loot, no, Operation Free All Looters, because NDC appointees and attorney general lawyers, no, carty deals with Encrofor my bonnet. And you only more carty deals, and there's evidence 60-40 for 60 for 40, now me 60. And if you could say NDC are buying no, emunipa, any nipa aye bonieti or mino carty deals. 60-40, 70-20, 50-50, and only idea air coso. It's Ghana for to Ghana for train, Ghana for her. Naya Nania Yana say, Omwe Becca Semono, Ayania show my frumuma. But Obia who say, see a tear we see, Obia Binyana to train Ghana ha. So when you want to train, who are obesia before, or ma and so as I see so. Ye no cre, and more minor, ye no cre, and my constitution. Na katasuma mu aso enya ade ebobia bidi ni kwaku dawru we jumedie on movement in the morning da sebra ajejamana and the god na sarabedi akromo tenase ne pensen semenu
oye de mato de mana ontumi nyahwe that is St. George's o prepare eto nanima ontumi mbo. That is exactly who he is. Now, and then me person maybe I say about NDC for mentality. Make us a first, no, I say I have no problem if you choose to, let's say, defend your party, love your party, whatsoever. But there are certain things you can't defend. Niyama, a whole facts, a honor. You don't go ahead and try to defend it because you lose. And the reason why you lose, and then they say, the things that you will be asked to provide to justify yourself, you won't be able to have it. Now, Adiebiya Meya say NDC for we betna or Eyuswa, they are so quick and talking and making noise and everything. Also, like I know they are not bold enough to come and defend the nonsense they wrote. I don't know why. So we could just post to say, there will be 10,000 NDC people writing nonsense. Now, now this is me and you. When I was so with the law and I say, request, let us talk, they ran away. And the reason is one. Only fact to be able to back any allegation he makes. That's one. Only anything again to prove said they are all canon crew. And when you saw the Hoba lamplight anymore, a be an obi MPP ni or NDC ni or a floating voter. Say Utie NDC ni no say there be NDC and Kwasia for it's not a party I have to follow. So they hide behind screens and they write nonsense. And me, it is sad. Michelle that saw camera mom. Come. When I was say they are making a talk. Request and join the live. Show me your evidence. Let me show you my evidence. But no, they ran away. But to go right here, this is here, they'll be quick to come there because I know they are not bold. Bold. The only thing they are bold about is stealing, killing, and destroying. That one they bold about. But when it comes to say they can never do that. I'm going to sleep. You put camera on, let them come and defend the same nonsense they wrote. They are not able to do it. That is why I actually stopped listening and actually paying attention to some of you. Because Sam George is a minister of state for Ghana. As we speak, he is the communications minister for Ghana. He has some authority. He has some power. Whether we like it or yes, whether we like it or yes or no, he still has power in. And how many? There's nothing wrong with loving Sam George. That's you. I mean, your type would always love Sam George. There's nothing wrong with that. So keep on with that, okay? But listen, while this guy was in opposition, there were some famous words he said. Among those words he said were when he said, from the first budget the government reads. I did not say this, Sam George said it. The same Sam George, when the time came for us to go and register because of the surf line, date line, and as I say, you started using new chip. He championed an academy called Stubborn Academy. Say we will not allow Ursula to register any new thing. It happened. I did not say it. Sam George said it. As a matter of fact, Sam George said they were using so much convoy in the Nana Addo government. And therefore, for him, even if he becomes a minister, he wouldn't use such convoy. I didn't say it. Sam George said it. That's why I said I don't get these things. NDC for shed I don't get it. Say, if it is a way to get people angry, or if it is the way to just show their shallowness, if it is the way to show some power, NDC is nothing to write home about. They just want power to steal, kill, and destroy. Because if I had said these things, then you can get angry at me. I'm only repeating something your own minister said. I have not said anything different. I have not said Nana Addo is the best. I have not said Bawumia is the best. I have not said MPP is the best. I have not said without MPP. I have never used none of those words.